Ang next topic po natin ngayon ay division of fraction. So, same lang to sa multiplication. Itong division naging 4 steps lang. Para maintindihan natin, try natin itong exercise number 1. So, step number 1 is change the division sign. So, papalitan natin yung division sign. Pag pinalitan natin, kailangan natin i-reciprocate or i-flip yung divisor. So, ito yung divisor. Itong divisor. Ito yung dividend. Dividend. So, as is to, ito lang ang i-flip natin, divisor. Ayan, so gawin natin. 6/7. Change natin yung division sign. Then, reciprocate o pagbaliktarin natin yung divisor. Yung 2/5 magiging 5/2. Ayan. So, step number 2 is multiply na natin yung numerator tsaka yung denominator. So, pwede tayong mag-reduce dito. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Then, multiply na natin. 3 times 5, that is 15. 15 over 7 times 1, that is 7. So, this is improper fraction. So, we need to simplify into lowest term. Paano i-simplify? Again, 15 divided by 7. 15 divided by 7, dalawa, 2. So, 2 times 7, that is 14. May remainder na 1. So, kopyahin lang natin. 2, remainder, 1/7. Yan na po yung sagot natin. Exercise number 2, same steps, process. Copy the dividend, 5/6. Then, change the sign into multiplication, times, flip. Pagbaliktarin natin yung since, again, pag whole number may silent, 1 yan. Kaya pag bubaliktarin natin, magiging 1/3. Yan. Meron ba tayo pwedeng i-cancel? So, wala. Pwede na natin i-perform yung 2 and 3. 5 times 1, that is 5. 6 times 3, that is 18. Pwede na bang i-simplify? Hindi na. So, ito na yung sagot natin. Exercise number 3. How about if ganitong form? 2/5 all over 4/3. So, i-convert lang natin sa normal position or ganito, 2/5. Itong malaking over is divide yan. Divided by 4/3. Ayan. Pwede na natin i-apply ulit yung natutunan natin kanina. Butong lang natin dito. 2/5. Change the sign. Times. Then, baliktarin natin. 3/4. Then, multiply, perform 2 steps, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 3. 6. 5 times 4. 20. And then, step number 4, simplify lang natin. Divide natin both sides or both numbers by 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Sagot natin is 3/10. How about kapag may mixed fraction? Exercise number 4. Try natin to. 9, 3, 5 divided by 15, 4/5. So again, pag ganito, i-convert lang natin into proper fraction para maging pwede nating i-apply yung multiplication natin, or multiplication. So multiplication and then addition. 9 times 5, that is 45, plus 3, that is 48. 8, copy the denominator, divided by 15 times 5 times 4, that is 79 over 5. So i-perform na natin yung step number 1, change the division sign. 48 over 5 times, i-flip natin yon, magiging 5/79. So meron ba tayong may kakancel? Kasi masyado na malaki yung ating numbers. So meron yung dalawang 5, so maging 1 to 1. Ang matitira is 48/79. Yan. So wala na tayong pwedeng i-divide both numbers. So nakasimplify na yan. Yan na yung sagot natin. Last example, example number 5. Example number 5. How about 8? 8 and 1/3 divided by 9 and 7/2. So again, same lang yung ginawa natin kanina. I-convert lang natin itong both fractions into improper or proper fraction. So times plus, so 3 times 8, 24, plus 1, that is 25. Copy 3 divided by 9 times 2, 18, plus 7, that is 25, divided by 2, copy 2. So yan, pwede na siya, improper fraction. So pwede natin i-change yung division sign. 25/3, palitan natin yung division sign into multiplication sign, then interchange 2/25. Meron na tayong ika-cancel yung dalawang 25. 1, 1. Ang natira na lang is yung tayong natirang 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Ano po yung sagot natin? Sana po may natutunan tayo sa topic na to. For more videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.